Peter, the last thing we want is to get kids to what about that graph on the wall that says the first thing we want is to get kids to start smoking?
That? Oh, that's just something my son made me in art class.
Right. Well, what about that post-it? It
Emerald.
says the graph was not made in art class.
Emerald.
We don't want kids to start smoking.
Come see.
Look, we're a caring company.
Come on out here and see me.
Really be the president of a company that didn't care about kids? No, but I'm not the president.
Yes, you are. If you want to be.
Oh, wow. Imagine me, president. I'll do it.
So, how'd it go?
I'm not finished yet.
What were you doing? Huh?
See how it went?
What are you doing?
Company executives?
What are you doing?
And they made me president of the whole company? Oh, right.
What are you doing?
Never gotten that kind of respect before. Great workout, Bobby.
You're set, Brett.
Yes,
What are you doing?
Emerald.
Hmm?
Make you president.
yeah, maybe it's because I can recite all 50 states in a quarter of a second.
Are you being funny for the camera?
Yeah, that was just a loud yelping noise.
Gee, Lois, I thought you'd be proud of me. After all
What's
these
up?
years, the company finally thinks I'm worth something. Just wait till you see all the perks we're gonna get.
What you doing?
Hi? Can I help you?
Yeah, some company hired me to stand next to you all day so you look better by comparison.
That's ridiculous. I don't need...
Hey, did you get less ugly?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Everything looks the same.
Do it again. Do it again.
Eldorado cigarettes.
Go ahead.
The entire inside of the house with a microfilm of Teflon, so it's easy to clean.
Uh-oh.
Maybe I shouldn't have had to do the floors. That dude's all nice.
What are you doing, bud? Are you picking at your feathers now?
Your father's
Hmm?
first day as president.
Good
Do
morning,
you need
Grace
help,
family.
Emmy?
Ooh, Lois, what's in this coffee?